Key features of OpenCart: WhatsApp, CRM, and order notification extension. Integrate your OpenCart store with the WhatsApp Business API. Send automatic WhatsApp notifications for order updates. Chat with customers directly from the OpenCart admin panel. Manage customer contacts and create promotional campaigns. Configure the module easily with flexible admin settings. Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the Knowband WhatsApp CRM extension for OpenCart. These extensions allow you to connect your OpenCart store with your WhatsApp business account so you can automate customer notification, manage WhatsApp conversation, create marketing campaigns, configure a storefront chat widget, and much more. Let's go through each section one by one. As you can see, we are currently inside the API settings of the extension. First, you will see the Enable Module button, from where you can enable or disable the entire module with single click. For now, we will enable this. Next up is the Facebook App ID, Facebook Access Token, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and phone number. These credentials are generated from your Meta developer account and authorize secure communication between your store and WhatsApp Business. Once these details are entered, the phone number associated with your WhatsApp Business account will be automatically fetched by the extension. Moving forward, you will find the webhook URL and verify token right here inside the Meta Developer portal. These are required, and this helps to synchronize incoming messages, tablet updates, and delivery events with your store in real time. Additionally, if you are configuring the API for the first time, the module also provides a detailed setup guide right here. When you will click, it will open. This guide explains how to create a Meta application, generate the required credentials, configure webhook, and obtain a permanent access token. Once everything is configured, save the settings, complete the API connection, and click Save. Moving forward, the order settings. In this section, it controls automatic WhatsApp notification related to customer orders. You can enable send message on new orders and also enable the order status update. These help you send messages to WhatsApp to your customers whenever they will place a new order or whenever the status of the order will change. Moving forward is the template section. In the template section, you can see that in this table, you will be able to see all the templates that you have created yet. Right now, we only have one template available here. One thing to note is WhatsApp only allows approved message templates to initiate conversations with customers. This page lets you create new templates and synchronize existing ones from your Meta. So, to create a new template, you simply need to click on Add Template. A pop-up will open where you can see the template name, use case. Here you will enter first the template name. Let's say we will enter customers right now. You will select the use case. For now, you have 3 options, but we will select customers. Then in category, you have option to select utility or marketing. We will go with utility. Here, the utility templates are used for transactional notifications, such as order confirmation, payment confirmation, shipping updates, and delivery messages, whereas marketing templates are used to promote campaigns, offer discounts, and product announcements. Next, we will select a language, in which language the template will be shared. Then you will select header type. How the header will be displayed, you can select from text, image, video documents. We will go with text right now. After selecting the header type, you will be given an option to enter. You will enter like this, and then you will be able to see the sample preview. Next step is the message body. You will need to enter the message you want to share here to the customer. Similarly, you need to enter the footer. After entering all the details, you will be able to add a CTA button as well. When you will click on Enable CTA button, you will get an option to enter the button details on entering, and then you will be given an option to enter a button URL. When this button will be added and the button will appear in the custom message in the template that will be shared to the customer, and on clicking that where it will be saying order details, it will be redirecting to the URL you have selected. After entering all the details, you simply need to click on Submit to Meta. After submitting, initially the template status will remain pending. Once Meta approves it, simply click Sync from Meta to update its status inside the module like this. Currently, these statuses are pending, and you can see the first template that was previously added here after approving. It has now status has changed to approve. You can also use these filters like this to filter out a specific template if you want to. Moving forward to the order status templates. This section allows you to assign approved utility templates to different OpenCart order statuses that are visible here right now. For every order status, simply select the appropriate template from dropdown. Let's say we select orders, which is the only proven right now. Click on Enable it like this and save. Now this is saved, so whenever a customer will place an order, this particular template will be shared with the customer. Next up is the CRM settings. As you can see here, you will be able to see the new contacts that are available here. Whenever someone will place an order or the list that you will add, you will be able to see all the contacts right here. And to contact them, you can simply contact them through here. You can write your message, you can send them, or you can instead send them a selected template of your choice from here. You can send regular WhatsApp messages directly from the chat window or choose approved templates whenever required. This allows store owner to communicate with customers without leaving the OpenCart admin panel. Moving forward, we are in the promotion section. This section is used to run WhatsApp marketing campaigns, so for which you need to click on Add Promotion to create a new promotion template. Here you will need to enter the name. Let's say if it is for summer sale and you will select a contact list and then you will select a template from here. As there is no marketing template created, the only template that we created is utility template. We are not able to select the template. Whenever you will create a marketing template, you will simply click select from here and then you will set the date. After doing which, you will click on save. Next step is the contact list. In this section, you can see all the lists that you have created. A default contact list is already there, which is called All Contacts. It contains all the contacts yet created or added. And you can also create custom lists. Let's say if you want to target a certain customer for a different purpose and target another set of customer for a different purpose. So this is where this list is helpful. To create a new list, you simply need to click on Add List. Name a list. Let's say age above 30. This is a type of customer. You want to target them differently. You want to approach them differently. And after creating it, if you want to rename, you can simply click on Rename. Or if you want, you can delete. You simply need to click on Delete. And to add contact, you need to click on Manage Contacts. From here, you can see all the available contacts. It will show you a plus sign on clicking that. It will be added to the list. If you want to remove it, you can simply click on Cross. That will remove it. For now, we will add and close. Similarly, Cross. Here you can filter as well. And this is all about the list section. Moving forward to the contacts. Here, this is the section you can see all the contacts in a table. Here, you can edit a contact, add a contact. You can import as well and export all the contacts as well. If you want to edit this, you can edit the name and phone number. Save changes. That is all. To add a new contact, you will click on Add Contact. With this method, you will only be able to add one contact at a time. This is how you add a new contact. To import CSV, you will need to click on Import. You will need to click on Choose File. You will need to add that file from your device. The contacts will be added here. To export, you will simply need to click on Export CSV. The current contact list will be extracted in a CSV file. You can edit or add the file according to your need. Moving forward, you have the chat box setting. There is a chat box which is visible in the front end. Here in the front end, you can see a little chat box button in the bottom right corner. On clicking which, you will be able to see a contact list, a help assistant. Whenever a customer comes, they will be able to see all the available help assistants, and they will be able to chat with them on clicking their name via WhatsApp. The same chat can be monitored from your backend in OpenCart using the OpenCart WhatsApp CRM extension. In the chat box setting, you have the option to enable or disable the visibility of the chat box in the front end. If you disable and save settings, after which going to the front end and you will reload, you can see that the chat box has disappeared. Moving back, we will enable again. You can select the position from bottom left to bottom right. You can change the theme color according to your needs. You can change the header title. You can change the subtitle, and you can also add a greetings message. So whenever a person will be opening the chat from the chat box, this greeting message will be sent to them. Now you have option to select the online text and the offline text. So if the agent is online, what text it will be showing, and if the agent is offline, this is the text that it will be showing. You can change it or add whatever according to your needs. As you can see, these are the settings that we have changed. Now you can see how it will be represented in the front end. All three of them. Now moving forward, we will move forward to the WhatsApp agents. Now here you can add n number of agents who will be chatting with the customers using the module from your backend only. The CRM section, you can chat from the customers. So from here to add a new agent, you need to click on Add New Agent. You will name the agent. Okay, you will add a short description. You will add the WhatsApp number. Okay, and then you will add their status if they're active or they're inactive. Okay, let's say it is active right now, and then you will simply sort the order. You will simply sort and save, after which it will be added in the table visible here. You can also filter them using the filter section right above here. Moving forward is a message log section. In this message log section, you can see that this section maintains a complete history of all WhatsApp communication. You can view incoming and outgoing messages, delivery status, template used, phone numbers, promotion details, timestamp, and any error that occurred during the message delivery. Advanced filters allow you to search log by date, phone number, direction, or message status, making troubleshooting and monitoring much easier. So this is all about the OpenCart WhatsApp CRM extension by Knowband. Hope you like the video.